Hi, I'm Gary Gilbert, Senior Mortgage Broker at Watson Mortgages. Big dreams don't always need big homes. Across Australia, more people are embracing small homes, modular builds and granny flats. Finding smarter, more affordable ways to live, invest and grow. Whether you're a first home buyer, downsizer or investor, smaller homes offer big benefits. Lower costs, faster builds and flexible living options for modern families. But before you build or buy, it's very important to understand local council rules and regulations and also your financing options. That's where Watson Mortgages can help. At Watson Mortgages, we compare over 30 lenders to find the right loan for your small home or granny flat project at no cost to you. To learn more, read my ultimate guide to small homes and granny flats. To explore your options, book a free discovery call with Watson Mortgages today.